Hi guys, it's me Anne from Geeks with Green, and today I will be unboxing a few Hoyas that have been gifted to me by my brother, and I'm really blessed to have him. And the Hoyas are from the Mumbai Hoya Hub. I will put in all the details about the seller, and it will be there in the screen, also in the description down below. So if you want to get in touch with her and buy some Hoyas from her, it's a great place to go. I will not be sharing the prices with you because I myself don't know the prices. So if you want to really buy some Hoyas, you go down to her handle and you DM her, send her a private message and ask her for prices when she puts up these sales. What I can tell you is Hoyas generally range from around 300 to 400, and it even goes up to 1,000 rupees and more, depending on how rare the Hoya is or how big the cutting is. So it varies from Hoya to Hoya and from seller to seller. And so when you are buying your Hoyas, just go expecting this kind of price range. Go and check out the prices with the seller. We have the winner for the month of June that was sponsored by Meraki Orchids, and congratulations to the winner, Samita Bhaumik. Do send us an email so that we can get in touch with you. The giveaway for the month of July has been sponsored by Plantastic Sunny. He has sent us these 3 very beautiful, classy looking jars, which you can win. So do participate in the giveaway. The rules are down below in the description. All the best to you all. You can go and check out his products on his Instagram handle, Plantastic Sunny. It's time to unbox my big red bag, and I'm really thrilled. These Hoyas have come from Mumbai, so they are in a bag, and I'm really excited. So it looks really well packed. So there's some bubble wrap. We just get rid of that. And there are these brown paper bags which look really cool. Okay. There's one and there's another. Okay. So we'll open one bag at a time. Oh, it's packed so beautifully. Wow, it's packed so beautifully. So what I'll be doing is I'll be removing all the plants out, and then we'll open it up one by one. So now I'll just quickly tell you how it's been packed. It's been packed in this tissue paper, and it looks really pretty. It's like a cone, and the top side is open. There's a little bit of cotton on the top. Really soft cotton. Okay, so I'll just unwrap this package, and I will recycle every bit of the paper and the packaging because it's really pretty. Okay, so as you can see, there's a tag right here saying Hoya Bertone, which is really good so that you know which Hoya it is that you are opening up. She has sent these little name tags which are excellent. So as I open it up, you can see it's in a white plastic pot, and it is surrounded by cotton to keep the leaves absolutely safe. So the packaging is excellent. So that's it. Wow, beautiful. Again, this gets recycled. Oh, so I'm just going to remove this cotton gently and reveal the plant to you guys. There's absolutely no damage, and it is a very beautiful cutting. It's been packed so thoughtfully that I didn't have to worry. And the potting medium is Hoya Perfect. I'm completely impressed with the packing and with the way the plant has come to me and with what I expected of the plant. So Nicole, this is excellent. Thanks, Al. This is the first one, the Hoya Bertinade. Wow! I just saw the leaves. I mean, they're really pretty. This one's the Hoya Fictii, and if you look carefully at the leaves, they have this very beautiful pattern. These cuttings are small in size, but if you keep them under the right conditions, they will thrive and they will grow really well. This one is the Hoya sigillatus. It's pretty sought after. Okay, now it's time to open the second bag. Okay, this one says complimentary handcrafted terracotta pots by Terracotta House, Mumbai. Thank you so much, and I will get to this package in the end. I mean, it really sounds exciting. So let's open the next Hoya. This is the Hoya Matilde Splash. It's really excellent. They're so pretty, these Hoyas. I hope they grow. Okay, so there's this little card with the really beautiful artwork, very classy, pretty artwork with Nicole's card, and also a thank you for the purchase of these 5 Hoyas. And yeah, the names are written right here as well. So that's really thoughtful and sweet. So now we have 2 more left. This is the Hoya Seed 001. That means it's not named. There's even new leaves coming in, new shoots. So this is the last one. Okay, so I just forgot that I already unboxed 5 Hoyas, and then this is the 6th one. only when I read the tag did I understand that it's complimentary. It's a Hoya Nicole Sonai. Okay, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Nicole. That's really sweet of you. These are so valuable. I must tell you that I love the white pots. I don't know. I just have a weakness for white pots, so I just love that they've come in white pots. They're just making me happier. I'm probably going to make a tiny cushion out of this cotton for Nia. There you go. Wow. There's a lot of shoots and all that. Thank you so much, especially for this one. Thank you so much. This is really great. I love it, and I'm so thrilled to have these. Aren't they lovely? They're just such gorgeous plants, Hoyas. I mean, if you master keeping them, they're really good plants to have. And there's such a variety to choose from. So now let's open the pots that have come from Terracotta House, Mumbai. So these guys apparently customize terracotta pots as well. So that's again great. These are so cute. Oh man, these are so cute. I love terracotta pots, and these are like so cute. They're lovely. Wow. Terracotta House, Mumbai. Beautiful pots. Love them. Thank you so much. And they've also sent a little piece of netting to, stop the medium from going out of the bottom drainage hole. So that's done for you. One job done for you when they sent me. That's really cute. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. And I'm really thrilled about these plants and these pots as well. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon in another video next week. Till then, stay green.